Namaste everyone. The topic for today is physiological role of bilirubin. We know that excessive bilirubin is associated with conditions like jaundice and kernicterus. But do we really know the physiology behind it? Bilirubin is an end product of heme metabolism. So before discussing the physiological role of bilirubin, let's talk about the notorious heme. Heme is a constituent of hemoglobin and various proteins like myoglobin, cytochrome, and catalase. Hence, it is released due to the breakdown of aging RBCs and heme-containing proteins. Mostly because of the catalytic active iron heme contains, excess heme is toxic to the body in the following ways. Oxidative cellular damage. Free heme is a source of iron that may produce toxic free hydroxyl radicals, a reactive oxygen species, via the Fenton reaction. These reactive oxygen species cause oxidative damage to lipid membranes, proteins, and nucleic acids. Hemolytic action. Due to its lipophilic nature, heme inserts within hydrophobic phospholipid bilayer of RBC, where iron oxidizes cell membrane and promotes the formation of lipid peroxide, a reactive oxygen species that enhances membrane permeability, facilitating cell death. Strong pro-inflammatory action. Increases adhesion molecule expression and endothelial activation. Promotes inflammatory cell recruitment and platelet aggregation. Causes nitric oxide consumption and vasoconstriction. Oxidizes low-density lipoproteins. Since excess free heme is toxic, it needs to be degraded. For this, a family of heme oxygenase enzymes evolved that degraded it to biliverdin. Here we can appreciate the beauty of nature for developing a mechanism to protect cells from oxidative damage caused by heme. In lower vertebrates like amphibians, reptiles, and birds, biliverdin is the predominant end product of heme metabolism and is excreted in the bile. However, in mammals, biliverdin is further reduced by biliverdin reductase enzyme to bilirubin, where energy-rich nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate is consumed. But why is biliverdin converted to more hydrophobic, insoluble, and energetically expensive bilirubin in mammals? Bilirubin has always been viewed as the culprit for jaundice, but its physiological role as an antioxidant has been underrated. Literature shows that bilirubin's antioxidant effect surpasses that of vitamin E in terms of lipid peroxidation. It efficiently scavenges reactive oxygen species. Being lipophilic, it detoxifies lipophilic reactive oxygen species, whereas soluble reactive oxygen species are detoxified by another important antioxidant, the glutathione. The major role in antioxidant property of bilirubin is attributed by the biliverdin reductase enzyme. When bilirubin acts as an antioxidant, it gets oxidized to biliverdin. Here, biliverdin reductase enzyme then converts the biliverdin back to bilirubin, allowing bilirubin to detoxify a 10,000-fold access of oxidants. So now we finally know that bilirubin is physiologically important as an antioxidant, and biliverdin reductase enzyme plays an important role for this. Do you remember that we had discussed another antioxidant in our previous video? For more information on this topic, check the links in the description box below. And for more content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.